Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry like a pro. First, focus on mastering the foundational concepts. Chemistry builds upon itself, so a strong base is crucial for understanding more complex ideas. Don't just memorize, truly grasp why reactions occur or how atomic structures influence properties. Review your lecture notes within 24 hours to solidify new information, preventing the forgetting curve from taking hold. This active recall is a powerful first step. Next, engage in active learning. Simply reading your textbook isn't enough. You must actively work through problems. Solve as many practice questions as possible, from simple stoichiometry to complex organic reactions. This hands-on approach helps identify areas where your understanding is weak. Furthermore, try explaining difficult concepts aloud. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. This method reveals gaps in your knowledge and strengthens your recall. To further enhance your learning, visualize chemistry. Utilize diagrams, molecular models, and even online simulations to see what's happening at the atomic and molecular level. This visual aid can transform abstract concepts into concrete images, making them easier to remember and understand. Also, always strive to connect new information with what you already know. Building these mental bridges helps create a more robust and interconnected understanding of the subject. Finally, consistency is key. Dedicate a specific amount of time each day, perhaps 2 to 3 hours, to studying chemistry. Regular, focused effort is far more effective than cramming. Don't hesitate to seek help from your professor or a tutor if you're struggling with a particular concept. They are there to support your learning journey. Remember, staying hydrated is also important for focus, so check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master chemistry like a pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.